Hey guys, good morning. Markel here, back with another video. So I recently picked up this light. I've been using it now for a few days and I really liked it. I even used it last night to do a live stream on my Vets channel. And right now I'm controlling the light by the app. There's an app that you can download and use to control this light. So this light is called the YongNuo light. It's the YongNuo 362. Now this light's been out, I think, for about it's either 3 years, 2 years or 3 years this light's been out. And the price went way down on it from when they originally came out. They now have a third version and a different variety of lights that they sell. And I picked it up for the YouTube channel to brighten up, because I'm using these mirrorless cameras. Even though this has a lower aperture, I still want to brighten up the scene. So I'm gonna show you guys the quick unboxing. Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video. So I got another unboxing for you guys. This is something I picked up for the YouTube channel, which is the YongNuo, I believe that's how you pronounce that, RGB light. Let's get this thing unboxed real quick and check out what comes in the box. Here is a charger that comes with it. Now this light is portable. It does come with a battery already in it. Here is the light inside of a carry case here, and you get an instruction manual here. Looks like it's mainly in Chinese. You get barcodes. It's probably a section here in English, I would hope. Yeah, it's got an English version here. Now this is one I'm actually gonna take out and read, and let's check out what these look like. Now when you say RGB, that basically means that you have different color gamuts: red, blue, I think green, besides the white basic color that it comes with. I know that this is 22 inches long. The actual lights itself, you only get about 18 inches from one end to the other end. This is the bottom for your tripod. Right here is the bottom, and also for you to hold, because it's a wand. And here at the top, which I don't really like this part, at the top is where you have your charger and your switch to turn on the light, as you can see. I don't like that the charger's at the top. I wish they would have put it here on the wand side at the bottom, or down here next to where you put your tripod, your 1/4-inch screw here. But I do like this little cap. I'm gonna try to hold on to that to try to protect that as much as I can. This little cap here, I know it'll get lost. But as far as controls, here are your controls right here. You only get 5 dials. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up real quick and see how good these lights are, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm still learning how this light actually works using the app to control the lighting. It's a cool little app. It's called YN362. It's easily pulled down on the Apple Store. On the Android store, I had to go to their website and download the APK version to my Android phone in order to get the lights to work there. But they do work downloading the APK. But I'm still learning about this light. I don't know a whole lot about it. You know, after having it for maybe a month or two, I'll be able to come back with a better review. But this is just a first impression and unboxing of these lights, these RGB lights. I really like them. I think they're very cool, and it's easy to pack away and travel with, which is why I got it. When I'm in these hotels and all these different areas I plan on going to, I want to be in a situation like this where if this is the only light I got, I don't have any other lights on in here, I'm lit up very well so you're able to see me and see whatever it is I'm showing. But that's it for this video, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I am out. Peace.